Today, we're doing spark plugs. AC Delco. Let's see if I can zoom those. Iridium spark plugs. This is a 2.7 liter GMC Sierra turbo. We're going to probably start by, well, not probably, I've done this numerous times. We're going to remove that top little pretty cover, says turbo. I'm going to go from there. We're also going to be changing out the camshaft position sensor. So if you see me taking apart items way back there, we're actually going to be removing the clip that holds on that oh, what is it, pretty cover, that little turbo cover. There's a little bracket back there. We're gonna completely remove it. It's not necessary to do your spark plugs, but it is, in my opinion, necessary to swap out the camshaft position sensor, because it's right behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice view for you right there. This engine has 125,000 miles on it. Well, let's start with the top, 10 millimeter. It took me a minute to find it. It's one of those sizes that seem to always disappear. Oh, right now. I don't want to lose them, so I usually just put them right back in. I believe the other ones are 8 millimeter. 8 or 9. I don't remember. I'll show you just the rag I was talking about. Stop sliding. Where is my blankie? Blankie. Where's my blankie? There it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you've ever seen the camera drop it. And it's softer than one. Still fighting. I guess I get down the air. Use my air tools. What is this? Strange. Looks like a big clip. Where did that came from? Oh, come on. What the hell? What in the world? Yeah. That's a tough one today. I don't know why. Here's the old one. Alrighty. 9/16. Yes, I have a huge extension on there, but Alrighty. Looking at about 60,000 miles worth. I don't think that's too bad, but I'm having some issues. Keeps telling me my camshaft position sensor is bad. Um, which I've already swapped out. I'm sorry. I already swapped out the camshaft position sensor with a new one. And lasted for about 2 months, and camshaft position sensor will go off if there's a misfire. And so what I decided is I'm going to go ahead, since it was time for new spark plugs, I'm going to go ahead and swap those out, and I ordered a new camshaft position sensor just to double cover everything. I'm looking at these spark plugs. They're not too bad. I don't see any damage on them. I do see some aluminum on the side, but let me go get the torque specs. I forgot those on the spark plugs, and I'll be right back. Well, after doing some looking up, it says 11 foot-pounds, a little over 11 foot-pounds. What's up? Is it on? I'm trying to push right, but he did, so yeah, we'll do the whole. Everything else looks good. I'll go ahead and replace it, but I'm not going to tighten it down. Ugh. The put on these, like a couple pounds, so all the hours are all over the place. I'm going to take it down. There you go, it doesn't need much, just take both. All I do is hold down. Alright, let's go to the next one. Might as well put that back on too. Oh crap, I'm not trying to do it. Hold on. I just can't trust the shows up. And also just unplugging your negative battery cable. I have the tools for your here, but it likes to go nuts sometimes if you don't do that. So, make sure you unplug it. I don't know why I have to put the little flathead in there. It just seems like it just gets stuck. Let's get some out. See if I can. Ah, my chair's not the ladder. Stop sign. It is hot today. You don't have to paint. I'll try this one. Go ahead and put that hole. 60,000 miles. Let's see what we got here. It's probably about 70,000 miles. All right, we got that. There goes my scooting again. All right, let's work on the third one. The phone rang while I was pulling it out, so let's get this out. Same thing. Disconnect. Clicked. There's my little screwdriver. This one. Oh, come on, baby. Oh. Why is this so hard? Oh, it's not that hard. Yeah, it is. So you gotta push underneath this clip. There's a little bitty tiny clip on there, and you have to push underneath it for it to come off. Let's see. Where's my name? Yes, it is. Let's see. This one. That looks better. Oh well. This is going to drive me nuts. Quit sliding. I am sweating like a pig. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that. Just for the giggles. And that'll give me some more room to work on the last one. Oh, I'm loose. What old age does to you. Let's get this taken out. It's not going to give me a lot of room unless I disconnect the camshaft position sensor back there. Which, you know, I think I should be alright. Man, dripping all over the Ah, I want to do that. Let's see. Don't do that. Don't want to cover that yet either. So I'm covering it because I'm waiting for my parts. I got one more part I'm waiting on, so hopefully it'll be here this afternoon. Should be in the next couple hours. So, but I'm not going to put everything back until I can get the camshaft positioning sensor swapped out, which is right behind that spark plug, and we'll just wait on that.